Conclusion, first one. The, understand, don't write. The magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines means we are talking about external magnet and not earth ka magnet. So magnetic field lines are curved. Just now we said it is a continuous curve, tangent drawn, represents magnetic field line.
Yes.
Is curved in the vicinity of magnet. What is meaning of vicinity of magnet? Close to magnet, ना? Vicinity मतलब magnet का आजू बाजू में. They are mainly due to magnetic field of earth, of the magnet. Magnetic field of magnet. So very close to the magnetic field lines are curved. They are mainly due to magnetic field of magnet, which is stronger than the magnetic field of the earth in this region. तो कौन सा फील्ड ज्यादा है, मैग्नेट वाला क्या अर्थ वाला नजदीक में? ये मैग्नेट के पास में अर्थ का फील्ड ज्यादा क्या मैग्नेट वाला ज्यादा? ये अर्थ है, इधर मैंने एक मैग्नेट रखा, तो इसके आजू बाजू में नजदीक में किसका फील्ड ज्यादा होएगा, मैग्नेट का क्या अर्थ का? You are thinking or you are answering? What you all are doing?
No, sir, it would be of the magnet.
So closer to magnet, maximum field will be of magnet and weak field will be of earth. But as I start moving away from the magnet, then magnet's field will start decreasing, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because field will depend upon distance. Closer, it is strong. Away, weak. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So magnetic field lines are curved in the vicinity of magnet. They are mainly due to magnetic field of magnet, which is stronger than magnetic field of earth in this region. Clear this much?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, as the distance from magnet increases, अर्थ को कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना आप, वो तो है वैसा है. As the distance from the magnet increases, what will happen to the magnetic field due to earth, due to magnet?
Sir, the Earth's field will increase.
No, earth field will not change. It is constant. Magnet's field will decrease.
Yes.
Earth field will neither increase nor decrease. It is constant.
Okay, sir.
But magnet's field will decrease if the distance increases. Write this much, write down first. The magnetic field lines are curved lines in the vicinity of magnet. They are mainly due to magnetic field of magnet because it is stronger in this region. As the distance from the magnet increases, the strength of magnetic field due to magnet decreases. Once you are done, tell me so that I will clear this.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, just a minute.
So close to the magnet, we have maximum field due to magnet. As you start moving away, strength of magnetic field due to magnet decreases. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Still not over. Huh? Wait 1 minute. So as you start moving away from the magnet, kiska field will become less.
Magnet का field.
मैग्नेट का फील्ड. तो लास्ट में एक स्टेज आएगा ना जब ये मैग्नेट का फील्ड ऑलमोस्ट नेग्लिजिबल, खाली अर्थ का फील्ड होगा.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अर्थ का फील्ड होगा तो कर्व पैरेलल हो जाएगा ना,
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि अर्थ का फील्ड ऐसा रहता है. तो अर्थ का फील्ड और मैग्नेट का फील्ड मिलके वो थोड़ा टर्न मार रहा था, मतलब एक कर्व हो रहा था, बट ये है ही नहीं, तो खाली यही बचेगा ना स्ट्रेट लाइन वाला.
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो कैन आई से at distant points. Distant point means close or away?
Away.
Away. It becomes weaker. It becomes weaker means who is becoming weaker? Magnet
Strength of
field.
Magnetic field.
It becomes weaker than Earth's magnetic field. Then Earth's magnetic field. The magnetic field lines are therefore parallel to each other, at distant points. Here they are mainly due to Earth's magnetic field. Copy first point. Conclusion. Conclusion means why you have drawn close to the magnet curved lines and away why it became parallel like this. ऐसा जितना दूर जाएंगे फिर धीरे धीरे ऐसा हो जाएगा. Complete. Then I will tell you second point once you complete this.
Okay, sir.
Today I will give you planner again. Sunday there is lecture as usual. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Can I keep it in the morning time?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What time? 2:30 to 3:30 is okay?
Okay, sir.
Or 9 to 10 is okay for you?
Sir, 9 to 10.
Okay,
9
sir.
to 10 because 8 to 9 I have got lecture, so 9 to 10 I will keep for you.
Okay, sir.
No, actually speaking, I have to complete second chapter and third chapter na, for the exam.
Yes. Sir, first chapter and second, na? Measurement and motion.
Motion I have done for you.
Yes, sir. Not fully.
I think full you all have attended first and second.
Yes.
ठीक है, फिर रिवीजन करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. हाँ, so only third is left out ना. Correct, no? Chapter left out only third for you all.
Third is not there for us. Laws of motion.
Laws of motion you all don't have.
No, sir.
Then which chapter you have? First,
First,
Second,
second,
current,
हाँ,
light 6,
light and
current 7th, magnet only 5 chapter. One
and
more.
sound.
And sound. Correct. And sound. Correct. So your portion is actually completed today. If I complete this,
Yes, sir.
we'll start revision. Don't worry.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Second point. There are 2 points equidistant, very important. There are 2 points equidistant from center of magnet marked as X. In east and west direction. X in east as well as in west direction, where the magnetic field of magnet and horizontal component means part. Like if this is one magnetic field, this is called horizontal component, this is called vertical. So it is part of this. Then horizontal component, there are 2 points equidistant from the center of magnet marked as X in east and west direction, where magnetic field of magnet and horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field are equal and opposite. Equal opposite means net is 0.
Yes.
ठीक है, देखो इतना
Done, sir.
okay.
Not done, sir. Just a minute.
Okay. This time Tarun say that ice cream has melted. I have purchased new for you.
Yes, sir.
Try to get full mark.
Yes, sir.
बहुत टाइम है ना, अभी पूरा रिवाइज कर दूंगा मैं.
Yes, sir. So this Sunday, which chapter is tested there?
Magnetism.
Sir, full?
Full magnetism.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you had said you were not going to take test this Sunday.
No, this Sunday I will take 22nd वाला Sunday I will not take. रक्षा बंधन है ना उस दिन.
Oh,
So what you, choice is yours. You want 15 का या you want 22 वाला? I think 15 is will better na. 22 you can then relax. Is it okay for you all?
So you're going to keep class on 15th and not on 22nd, right?
22nd nothing. 22nd full holiday.
Okay.
so
that
on
will be a
15th
better
classes
choice, no?
also. Classes also there and tests also.
Yes. On 15th 9 to 10 lecture, then test in the evening time as usual.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Because after 10 only something will start function and all, and evening will be free.
Done, sir.
Okay. What is meaning of equal opposite? Plus 5 ka opposite is who?
-5.
Minus 5. What is the result?
0.
0.
Minus 10 ka opposite.
Plus 10.
What is result?
0.
0.
So 0 means it is cancelling, na?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
this is called neutral point. So there are 2 points from the center in east-west where magnetic field of magnet and horizontal of earth are equal and opposite. Hence they cancel each other, correct? Equal
Yes, sir.
opposite means they will cancel each other.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
These points are called neutral points. What are these points called?
Neutral points.
Correct. These points are called as neutral points. When compass needle is placed at neutral point, where it will get deflected? Nowhere, no? This was
No.
nowhere. So when compass needle is placed at these points, it will remain undeflected and rests in any direction. मतलब जिधर भी आप उसको शिफ्ट करोगे वो उसमें आ जाएगा. It won't turn. चलो कंप्लीट कर लो इधर था. So this time's paper will not be same as what I had sent us, Sudhanshu.
Yes, sir.
I will change that paper and it will be handwritten paper. You know handwritten means how it is.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm writing.
This was the case for North Pole is placed facing to the north, south facing to the south. Neutral we got in east-west, that is called equator. Done.
Yes, sir.
Second one. When
This would be the third one, right?
no, first one we did, there was 2 points. Now second case, when magnet is placed with its south pole pointing towards north. So they can ask, draw the diagram of magnetic field line and show the neutral point when magnet is placed with its north-south pole pointing north. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question clear first?
Yes, sir.
They can ask you, draw the diagram showing the magnetic field and neutral point when magnet is placed with its south pole. The best लग रहा है. Superb लग रहा है. थोड़ा आपका वेट कम हुआ लगता है. Draw this diagram. Where is Earth का North Pole?
On magnetic, sir.
Huh? On magnetic? What magnetic?
Sir, no.
Geographic south.
अर्थ का नॉर्थ पोल मतलब जिधर ऊपर रहता है ना, जिधर है उधर ही है.
हाँ.
So will it be at the top or at the bottom when we draw diagram?
At top.
So that means here we have north, no? Here we have south of Earth, and a magnet का south is pointing north, and north is pointing south. Diagram clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अभी न्यूट्रल पॉइंट किधर होगा आप बताओ? इक्वेटर पे होगा, मतलब ये नॉर्थ है, ये साउथ है, ईस्ट वेस्ट है, बराबर, अर्थ का ना।
हाँ सर।
तो न्यूट्रल पॉइंट किधर होता है?
In the center.
नहीं, सेंटर क्या, अर्थ का ऐसा रहेगा ना फील्ड, है ना, इसके अंदर है ना मैग्नेट, साउथ से नॉर्थ जाएगा ना।
Yes, sir.
लेकिन ये मैग्नेट का साउथ नॉर्थ उल्टा है ना, ऐसे ऐसे रहेगा ना फील्ड।
हाँ।
तो जीरो होने का चांस है कोई तो एक पॉइंट पे।
यस।
जब वो एक्सट्रीम साउथ पे रहेगा।
नहीं नहीं, आप क्वेश्चन समझो, आप लोग कुछ भी मत बोलना, वापस बोलो। ये मैग्नेट है, बाहर से डाला, अर्थ को कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप। तो जैसे मैं ये लाइन पे रहूंगा ना, ये लाइन पे इधर 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 इधर, उसको एक्सिस बोलते हैं, मालूम है ना, ये बताया था मैंने, एक्सिस बोलते हैं इसको।
यस सर।
तो ये एक्सिस पे दूर दूर जाएंगे तो किधर, इधर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एकदम स्ट्रांग, फिर थोड़ा कम 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 होते जाएगा, तो एक जगह आएगा जिधर इसका फील्ड और ये अर्थ वाला फील्ड मिलके बैलेंस कर देगा। मतलब इसका फील्ड किधर है, साउथ से नॉर्थ होता है ना हमेशा,
हाँ।
और ये इसको तो चेंज नहीं कर सकते ना, वो ऐसे ही रहेगा ना हमेशा। तो इसको
यस।
कैंसिल करने के लिए मुझे ऐसा वाला फील्ड चाहिए ना, उल्टा वाला।
यस सर।
तो ये डिस्टेंस पे साउथ से नॉर्थ जाएगा ना फील्ड, इधर वाला डिस्टेंस पे भी साउथ से नॉर्थ जाएगा ना फील्ड ऐसा। तो फ्रॉम
यस।
सेंटर ऊपर भी हो सकता है, नीचे भी हो सकता है ना, वही डिस्टेंस।
Yes, sir.
पहले आप देखो, वापस समझो। इफ साउथ इज फेसिंग नॉर्थ, न्यूट्रल पॉइंट किधर आएगा, एक्सिस पे। एक्सिस मतलब किधर, साउथ नॉर्थ वाले लाइन पे, ऊपर या तो नीचे। लेकिन नॉर्थ इज फेसिंग नॉर्थ किधर आएगा फिर, इक्वेटर पे। इक्वेटर मतलब किधर, ईस्ट वेस्ट पे। तो राइट भी हो सकता है, लेफ्ट भी हो सकता है। क्लियर इतना मीनिंग?
Yes, sir.
तो इसका न्यूट्रल पॉइंट किधर बनाऊं, ईस्ट में मतलब राइट, क्या वेस्ट में लेफ्ट, और ऊपर नीचे किधर बनाऊं? अरे क्या बोल रहे हो, कुछ बोलते हैं कि नहीं आप लोग? हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ न्यूट्रल? न्यूट्रल मीनिंग इज व्हाट?
Balanced.
बैलेंस मीन्स व्हाट? नेट व्हाट, 1 2 3 4 5 6?
हाँ सर, ऊपर नीचे। यस।
चुप, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, ऊपर नीचे। न्यूट्रल मतलब जीरो, ऊपर नीचे व्हाट? न्यूट्रल मीन्स व्हाट? रिजल्ट इज व्हाट? जीरो।
Zero.
हाँ, तो ऊपर नीचे वो वी हैव टू चेक, बट न्यूट्रल मीन्स व्हाट इज मीनिंग?
Zero.
न्यूट्रल मीन्स व्हाट इज मीनिंग?
यस सर।
Zero.
जीरो। से अगेन, न्यूट्रल मीन्स व्हाट इज द मीनिंग?
जीरो।
ये
Zero.
जीरो, करेक्ट। अभी ये मैग्नेट का फील्ड है, बराबर, दिस इज मैग्नेट फील्ड ना।
जीरो।
अबे फिर से वही बोला।
Sir, magnet का field curved रहता है.
मैग्नेट का फील्ड क्या रहता है, ओ रहता है।
Curved.
अर्थ का फील्ड है, अर्थ का ये
हाँ, magnet का नहीं.
ये अर्थ का फील्ड है, अर्थ, अर्थ का आई एम टॉकिंग, दिस इज अर्थ,
हाँ।
दिस इज अर्थ का मैग्नेट। ये बाहर वाला मैग्नेट, अर्थ का मैग्नेट डायग्राम में नहीं बता रहे। दिस इज वन अर्थ का मैग्नेट। अभी वापस देखो ध्यान से, अर्थ का नॉर्थ पोल, तो उसका मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल इधर, ये नॉर्थ, तो इधर से फील्ड स्टार्ट होके ऐसा ऐसा जाएगा ना, ऐसा ऐसा जाएगा क्या नहीं? यस और नो?
यस सर।
So if I consider only this part, how it will look, parallel or not?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
अरे सुधांशु तो ऐसे ही यस सर सर बोलता है, समझता नहीं फिर भी बोलता है यस सर यस सर, है ना चंद्र? अरे सुधांशु,
सर पैरेलल तो रहेगा ना।
अरे क्या है, अबे जीरो को आप बोला ऊपर नीचे, क्या बोल रही है? वापस देखो, तो ये टेक्स्ट बुक में कुछ दिया नहीं है, आप समझो। ये अर्थ है, अर्थ छोटा है क्या मोटा है?
मोटा.
हाँ, बट डायग्राम में इतना मोटा बनाओ क्या, बाजू वाले के घर पे जाएगा वो? नो नो। अभी इसके अंदर इसका मैग्नेट है अर्थ का। Now don't mistake, I am not telling this, ये तो external magnet which I am placing on the earth. This is earth and this is what, earth's magnet. Okay, this much followed.
Yes, sir.
This is north pole or not,
Yes, sir.
and this is south pole or not.
Yes, sir.
So magnetic lines will start from north and it will go to the south or not.
Yes, sir.
In between it will look horizontal or not.
Yes, sir.
So that is, this line is what? This line is what? किसका field? Earth's का field.
Earth का.
Earth का field. इसका कुछ तो वैल्यू होएगा ना, 10 या 20 ऐसा कुछ तो है ना.
Yes, sir.
So wherever I get due to this magnet, same if it is 10 in ulta direction 10, there only it will be balancing, no?
Yes, sir.
What is direction of field from for this magnet? अभी अर्थ भूल जाओ, अर्थ का फिक्स हो गया, forget earth, rub it. Earth's का field I got idea, it is parallel pointing from south to north. Okay,
Yes, sir.
earth forget. Now magnet comes. Tell me this magnet का field कैसा होगा? North to south.
South.
North to south.
South.
But here it is downward, no, like this. ऐसा है ना इधर.
Yes.
तो अर्थ वाला तो ऐसा है, जीरो होने का चांस है फिर, because they are oppositely directed.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, sir.
When possible, when both becomes equal, na? So at some point earth ka field, suppose it is 10, then magnet will be also 10, but in opposite, then only it will become neutral or not.
Yes, sir.
So where it is possible on the axis wala line, na?
Yes, sir.
तो ऐसा इधर भी तो हो सकता है ना, because this is starting from here and going, तो इधर भी तो ऐसा downward है ना, लेकिन अर्थ तो ऐसे ही है,
Yes, sir.
तो इधर भी हो सकता है क्या, नहीं बोलो?
Yes, sir. हो सकता है.
Yes.
So can I say it is either above neutral point or below neutral point or not, which I have marked as X?
Yes.
Not yet. Now
Yes.
followed. Sudhanshu, tell me honestly, followed?
हाँ सर.
Because 90% now you follow, 10% you don't follow, and then also you say yes, 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 and that is what you make silly mistake. That 10% you have to avoid. Maybe due to respect you are telling yes, I followed, or maybe due to fear. But that 10% is your culprit, which is taking your mark. So be honest if you have not understood. It is possible.
Okay, sir.
Now have you understood why I marked neutral above and below? That you tell me first. Or still any doubt is there?
Sir, they are marked above and below because Earth's magnetic field is also parallel and equidistant. You had shown just now, and when we had drawn a magnet, so when they intersect,
Again you have only understood part. This is Earth's field which you cannot change, whatever may be its value. Suppose it is 10, but magnet field at different point it will be different. So if the point is on the axis, then if magnetic field is 10, axis point is always south to north. So it can be here or it can be here downward. From the center, it is at some distance. So magnet field is starting from here and then going here and again coming downward. So if I rub the remaining part, I can see the magnet field will be like this here as well as here, no? That means it is opposite to this direction or not?
yes, opposite.
So wherever its magnitude becomes same, that point I have marked neutral point as a cross. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Tarun, explain me why neutral is above and below we have marked.
Sir, as you told that Earth's magnetic field is parallel, so and it
Parallel
goes in
and
one
always
direction
from
above.
South to north. Earth ka
Yes, sir.
south.
From
So
south to
my
north.
magnet wala field will be like this, na? At the poles.
Yes, sir. So, for
So
example,
wherever it
the
becomes
Earth's field is
opposite
10 and
and becomes equal, answer will become 0. Correct?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, Sudhanshu, you explain in your word why neutral point is taken on the axis, not at equator.
Sir, just now you had said that Earth's magnetic field are parallel and from south to north.
Very good.
And
And the magnet wala field is from where?
not to south.
Again south to north. लेकिन उसका south ऊपर है ना?
हाँ.
तो नीचे आ जाएगा ना? उसका south तो इधर है. तो ऐसा नीचे
Yes.
आएगा ना ये field, है ना? और अर्थ वाला ऐसा है क्या नहीं?
हाँ.
तो ये अर्थ का पोल, मैग्नेट का पोल के पास में ऐसा है ना डायरेक्शन.
Yes, sir.
So wherever it becomes equal in magnitude, whether above or below, then it will cancel, no?
Yes.
What is that
Yeah.
point called? Neutral
Neutral
point?
point.
Now draw this much diagram. Now I think you have followed 100%.
Yes, sir.
Because from your behavior, I know you don't follow, but to make everybody happy, you appreciate. That is your good point. But in the class, please don't do that. Not followed, not followed. Khatam. Don't make anybody happy. You should be happy and satisfied.
Okay, sir.
Because of your caring nature, I can understand whether you have understood or not, but you will say, yes, I have followed. Draw
Sir,
this
we
much.
will draw this diagram.
Only this much, nothing else.
Okay, sir. Then
Now, close to magnet, we have whose magnetic field stronger?
magnets.
That means it will be curved, na?
Yes, sir.
But as I'm moving away, that field strength will decrease.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
field will be only due to Earth, which is almost parallel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. South say I'm starting the field, going to the north. Arrow. South set will start, going to the north. South set will start, going to the north. One side followed properly.
Sir, I do not understand why is it going from south to north.
Now I will. It goes from north to south. I made mistake. North to south. Oh, sorry. North to south. North to south. Okay, agreed? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, as you move away, the field will become weaker, weaker, weaker. So
Yes, sir.
the stage will be reached, and where it is not going inside, but this is almost zero. Only Earth ka field is coming. So this way it will come. Okay.
Okay.
Going from here and then moving away. So only the magnitude of Earth's field is there, which is from starting from here and going out upward. Understood this side?
Yes, sir.
Exactly same you will do here. North to south, north to south, north to south, and then this field. Properly understood?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, थोड़ा ये ना बाद में क्रॉस लिखा ना, so that it looks here no failure up and down. Draw diagram. Yeah, Sudhanshu, any doubt to you?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. They will ask diagram for 2 marks, huh? Either south, south, north, north facing each other or ulta. So be careful how to draw. Today I will give planner only for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then Sunday I will give planner for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Done, sir.
Okay, shall I clear?
No, sir. Just a minute. Yes, sir. You can.
So again, same type of conclusion will write. In school, they explained this diagram, why they wrote drawn up down.
No, sir.
Okay. Conclusion. First. Same as you have done in the previous one. The magnetic field lines are curved in the vicinity of magnet. Magnetic field lines are curved in the vicinity of magnet, and they are mainly due to magnetic field of magnet, no? Correct? So close to the magnet, magnetic field lines are curved. They are mainly due to magnetic field of magnet, which is stronger than Earth's magnetic field. Which is stronger than Earth's magnetic field. As the distance from magnet increases, what happens then? As the distance from magnet increases, what will happen?
The magnetic field of the magnet decreases.
The magnetic, in fact, the strength of magnetic field, no?
Okay, sir.
The strength of magnetic field due to magnet will decrease, no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
will decrease. And becomes weaker than Earth's field. First it was stronger than Earth's field, now becomes weaker than Earth's magnetic field. It appears lengthy, but actually it's एकदम simple है. Close to the magnet, Earth's magnetic field is magnet's field is stronger. Away it decreases and becomes weaker than Earth's magnetic field. The magnetic field lines are nearly parallel straight lines from south to north at distant points from magnet. They are mainly due to what? At the center they were mainly due to magnet, but far away they are almost parallel, south to north, mainly due to what?
Earth's magnet.
Earth magnet.
They mainly due to Earth's magnet. Now copy. So if they say why near the vicinity the field lines are curved, because they are mainly due to magnet field, and far magnetic field is almost negligible. So only due to Earth's field, which is parallel from south to north.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Not done.
So when south pole of magnet is facing north pole of earth, neutral point we are getting on axis. Same facing, then we were getting on equator. Can I clear?
No, sir.
Sudhanshu, that paper you have written and then you might have scanned it, then send, no?
Yes.
Just send me. I want to check whether you have done right or wrong.
Okay, sir.
If you wish, otherwise not.
Yes, yes. Okay, I'll send it.
Yeah. Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Second point. There are 2 points equidistant from
Sir, this is the second point of the second part, right?
second conclusion for the second one. There are 2 points equidistant from the center of magnet marked as X. So if one point is at 10 centimeter neutral point, where will be the other neutral point? At 10 only, huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
If they say distance between two neutral point from center is 40 centimeter. So what is distance of one neutral point?
20.
So remember properly. Yeah. तो नहीं वो सस्ता है क्या कुछ? नहीं मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं. There are 2 points equidistant from center of magnet marked as X in north and south direction. That means up and down. East, west is right, left. North and south direction. Where the magnetic field of magnet and horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field are equal and opposite, hence they cancel each other. These points are called as neutral points. What will happen to the magnetic compass needle at neutral points? It will not show any deflection.
It will face in any of the direction.
Correct. Copy this much. There are 2 points equidistant from the center where magnetic field due to magnet and horizontal component of Earth are equal opposite, hence they cancel each other. These points are called neutral point. At neutral point, the compass needle remains undeflected. And rests in any direction.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, if the needle is at the neutral point, then it will keep on rotating, right?
To rotate, you require force, no?
No, I mean to say it will keep on moving.
No, that is if you move by your hand in left, it will remain at left. If you move right, it will remain at right.
Okay.
That is meaning of this.
Okay,
Other than
sir.
that point, magnet will be given force with that magnetic field. No?
Yes, sir.
If written, tell me. Then last part
Done,
we
sir.
have. Okay. Sudhanshu done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Fixed question to be asked in the exam. If this question doesn't come, whether you score full mark or not full mark, I will still send the ice cream to you. What? Tarun and Sudhanshu, you followed what I said?
Yes, sir.
But I know this will be guaranteedly asked in the exam. That's why with so much confidence I'm telling. What are neutral points? Can I say neutral points are point where magnetic field becomes zero in simple language?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which two field? एक अर्थ का field, दूसरा magnet वाला ना?
हाँ.
Why they
हाँ.
become zero? Because they become equal and opposite.
Yes.
So neutral points are the, how many neutral points you have? Two.
2.
So neutral points are the points at which magnetic field are magnetic fields are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Opposite in direction. The net magnetic field at a neutral point is 0. Correct, no?
Yes,
Net
sir.
field at neutral
0.
point is 0. A compass needle, if placed at neutral point, will rest in any direction. Right.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
So to obtain neutral point, can I have two magnets? To obtain
Sir,
this
one
neutral
magnet
point.
will also do, right?
No, if one magnet, then means we should rely on Earth's magnetic field, no?
Yes.
But if I forget about Earth, can I have two magnets?
Yes.
They can also cancel the field of each other.
Yes, sir.
So neutral point can be obtained by two magnets. One can be actual magnet, other can be Earth's field, or two different magnet. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Now, it's a diagram bana tha just to make you understand. This is horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. And this one?
Vertical.
And this is
Slanting.
called incline. What we say? Incline.
Okay.
What about this?
Inclined.
Incline. This one?
Vertical.
This one?
Horizontal.
Okay. So when something is inclined, you can have its effect in vertical and in horizontal direction. दोनों मिलके ये बन गया ना? Have you heard about right angle triangle? Have you heard this?
Yes, sir.
Right hand. What is this called?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. This is result of these two, na?
Yes, sir.
What is this called?
Yes, sir.
Square.
Square, or you can say parallelogram. So this is suppose one vector. This is another vector. Then this hypotenuse is result, huh? Always. Even this is hypotenuse, na?
Yes.
So this result is of these two, na? If you complete this triangle.
Square. Yes.
So this is called horizontal component and this is called vertical component. Not followed?
Followed.
Yes. Follow.
Again listen. Actually it is in 11th. If this is AB, this is CD, both are same in a square? Are they
Yes, sir.
same? Okay. So if I join this is my result of these two sides ना by Pythagoras theorem.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So result मतलब ये component है ना उसका, ये दो पार्ट को ऐड करके बना दिया ना हम लोग ने result.
हाँ सर.
तो ये inclined वाले का दो पार्ट कौन सा होएगा? Horizontal and vertical or not?
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
तो ऐसा रहेगा तो हम लोग बोलते हैं horizontal component of Earth's field. ऐसा रहेगा तो vertical component और ये दोनों का result. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. sir.
Now once again for the topic one more. This is Earth. This is its magnetic axis. So here we have its magnet ka north and south. So this way we will have field.
Yes, sir.
This way we have field.
Yes.
So if I place the needle here, needle will remain in this direction or not?
Sir, why did you make the arrow towards north?
My pen is getting changed. Now you followed?
Yes, sir.
If I place magnet here at this point, then it will show me this way inclination. ऐसा रहेगा needle इसको touching tangent है ना? तो इसका दो पार्ट होगा ना फिर?
Yes, sir.
तो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? horizontal component और इसको क्या बोलते हैं? vertical component.
Vertical component.
नहीं समझ में आया लगता है अभी भी?
समझ गया सर.
अभी समझ.
लेकिन इधर खाली वर्टिकल है ना, है ना? इसको किधर ये तो खुद ही वर्टिकल है, बट हियर ओनली हॉरिजॉन्टल विल कम ना हियर.
सर ओनली वर्टिकल विल कम.
नो ये देखो ऐसा अर्थ है ना, ओल शेप, तो ऐसा जा रहा है मतलब ये इसको ऐसा पैरेलल है, दो लाइन ऐसा.
यस.
मतलब ऐसा बताओ तो ये वर्टिकल नहीं है ना, पैरेलल है ना, हॉरिजॉन्टल है ना, बट बोर्ड पे कैसा दिखा सकते हैं ना ऐसा.
3D चाहिए.
3D चाहिए. यस बराबर. So at all other places we will have how many component? 2. Here we will have only vertical. Here we will have only horizontal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Horizontal मतलब ये जब भी आप XY बनाते हैं ना axis, so it is not actually vertical. It is in the book like this, but on the page I draw this way. So this is X axis and this way is Y axis. This way. In the plane, one plane. Okay. Not like this. But on the board we show like this. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, when you put your two hands perpendicular to each other, then it is not you are showing up, na? You are showing on the same horizontal plane, na?
Yes, sir.
I'm showing you like this. See the screen. I'm just sharing the video now. Can you see this pen?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this pen also?
Yes, sir.
They are perpendicular, na?
Yes, sir.
One is x, other is y. This way it is not y. Y is like this. This is y, and this is x. Huh? Not this way. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now, 2-3 more points, then this chapter will get over. Right. Note. First point. Earth's magnetic field has two components. Earth's magnetic field has two components. A horizontal component in the direction from geographic south to geographic north. Second, B vertical component in a vertically downward direction.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
For two magnets at a separation in one line with their poles facing each other. The neutral point is at some point between two magnets. Now see, what does it mean? This is North Pole, South Pole. This is North Pole, South Pole. How many magnets you can see? Two magnets.
Two magnets.
They are at certain distance between each other.
Yes.
इसका point magnetic field will be south to north. No, like this somewhere here. This way it will give you field is denoted by B. So first magnet का ऐसा रहेगा ना outward south से north. इसका भी south से north जाएगा ना ऐसा. तो ऐसा आएगा ना B2.
Yes, sir.
जिधर भी दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 0. तो न्यूट्रल पॉइंट बीच में किधर तो रहेगा? नहीं समझ में आया? दिस इज
समझ गया।
Yeah.
समझा पक्का? ये साउथ पोल है, नॉर्थ पोल, इसका इधर फील्ड ऐसा स्टार्ट होएगा ना, ऐसे फिर ऐसा जाता है ना अंदर, और इसका वाला ऐसा रहेगा ना, तो एक इधर एक इधर, जिधर भी दोनों इक्वल ऑपोजिट कैंसल. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
राइट, फर्स्ट वन ड्रॉ डायग्राम.
Sir, which diagram to draw?
The one which I have drawn below.
Okay. Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Right, planner now. Today is Friday, na? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is lecture 9 to 10. Test 4 to 5 or 4:30. What time you want test?
Sir, 3 o'clock.
Huh? 3:30.
हाँ,
Sir, okay.
3:30 to 4:30. 10A. All the questions will write and practice. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Total there are 29 questions. 1 to 10. 11 to 20. Here 21 to 29. MCQ, 2 MCQs are there. I'm taking that as one question. Can you tell me? M1 MCQ, 2 like magnetic poles war, attract or repel? This you don't copy full question, just write answer. 2 like poles, what they will do? Attract or repel?
Repel.
Repel each other. And if uniform magnetic field, then magnetic field lines are what? Curved or parallel and equidistant? Uniform or parallel and equidistant. They are called uniform. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, write this planner properly. This will take at least half an hour. This will take 1 hour. This will take 1 hour. Now your actual syllabus we have completed, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I will start revision of you all. But before revision, I will give you set of questions which you have to practice and be ready.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
coming Sunday, we will revise second chapter. Which chapter we are
Okay, sir.
revising on that day?
Second.
Second chapter. I will give you the list of questions. Tonight I will send it. Or I will send on the same day, that will revise. Because already you are having work. So that's all. Bye. Take care.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.